Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to remove a folder or a file on Quick Access. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your File Explorer, and then once you've done that, you can see here on the right side all of the Quick Access folder in your computer. So for example, this day 13 folder, you want to remove that on your Quick Access. Just go ahead and right click on that folder, and you can see remove from Quick Access. So just go ahead and click that, and then as you can see, the day 13 folder is not on the Quick Access. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.